then with subtraction, the way subtraction works is we look inside our closed world, that's that imaginary space, and we simply make a list of the components that are in that space. And then once we make a numbered list of the components, we use subtraction by picking one randomly, and we imagine that component is no longer there. It's just not permanently. We just imagine removing it and putting it off to the side and looking at everything that we have left. And then we ask ourselves two questions. First question is always, okay, what would be the benefit? Let's imagine that component's no longer there. What would be the benefit to me, to other people? Is there an advantage to taking that out? If not, if there's no advantage, throw it out. Don't waste any more time on it and go back and grab another component. But if there's an advantage, then and only then do you ask yourself the second question, which is it feasible? Can we do without that component? And if not, what could replace it from inside the closed world?